Get ready for RMFantasySX, the ultimate Monster Energy Supercross Fantasy Challenge from RMATVMC.com. We're giving away over $100,000 in prizes, and it's completely free to enter. Top season prizes include round-trip tickets with hotel to fly you and a guest to Rocky Mountain ATVMC to pick up your brand new customized KTM 450 SXF or KTM 250 SXF, a VIP trip for two to ride with the Rocky Mountain ATVMC crew on the Red Rocks of Moab. And there's also a trip to the 2019 Monster Energy Cup in Las Vegas. 5th through 10th place season winners will be awarded prizes from Dunlop, Fly Racing, Milestone Video Games, Motion Pro, Oakley, and others. Weekly prizes will be awarded from major brands. Just sign up on our secure game site, make your picks, and even get into group play to get your game on. And for more details, sign up today at RMFantasySX.com. To be eligible for prizes, you must be 18 years of age or older.